the Kuretake Gansai Tambi. It has this box that has a premium feel to it, and the colors remind me of matcha, that superfood powder made from green tea. The colors and codes are printed on the back of the cover for easy reference. The Kuretake brand is manufactured in Japan, and Gansai Tambi is their line of traditional watercolors. There's a transparent plastic cover on top when you open it. I guess it's for extra protection, and it can probably be used as a mixing plate. The color palette and the way it's laid out on the box is very nice to look at. I guess it's the size of the pans. They are bigger than the usual, so you see more colors. They are bigger to accommodate the traditional Japanese brushes. I have the 36 set, which I got from Amazon for 50 Aussie dollars. In this set, you will get a few metallic colors. The codes are also written on the back of the pan and on the box. The English translation is on the cover. Gansai is not the same as the usual Western watercolors that we are more familiar with. Western watercolors use gum arabic as the pigment binder, but Gansai Tambi uses different ingredients like beeswax, sugar syrup, glycerin, and/or starch. If we look closer at the palettes, some are shiny, some have cracks, some have bubbles. And that's because different ingredients were used as a binder, depending on the color. I'm going to do some swatching to see how the colors differ, because in the pans, some of them really look almost the same. And swatching will help us see subtle differences in how it reacts to paper and water. The line in the middle will help us determine the opaqueness of each color. So done with the swatching. So now we can see the differences, the vibrance, and how opaque they are against the black line. They are easy to activate, doesn't require much swirling in the pan, and they also feel thicker in the brush, like you're mixing some sauce. And to really try them out, I'm going to draw a simple illustration and color it, just to have a feel of how the watercolors are absorbed in the paper. I'm using a Derwent 300 GSM acid-free watercolor paper. I decided to use this because it's the widest watercolor paper I have at the moment. It also has this texture that reminds me of Asian paper. in all, they are really pleasing to use. The colors are so vibrant and they don't absorb as quickly as other watercolors, so if you make a mistake, the colors can be lifted up easily. I'm looking forward to do more with this art set. If you like this video, please hit the like. Leave a comment and tell me your thoughts. Any language will do. And please consider subscribing. Thank you so much.